A very good morning to you and welcome to the Morning Outlook. I'm Rachel Jones reporting live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. Now, the Australian share market is expected to inch higher this morning. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is likely to open 17 points higher or 0.25% higher. Yesterday, the best performing sector was consumer staples, adding 2%, while the sector with the fewest gains was healthcare, up 0.5%. The best performing stock was Chalice Mining, closing 7.8% higher at $9.41, followed by shares in Liontown Resources and Pilbara Minerals. The worst performing stock on the S&P ASX 200 was Whitehaven Coal. Their shares closed 2.2% lower at $2.67, followed by shares in Afterpay and Sky City Entertainment. Looking to some business news from this morning now, and Panoramic Resources has completed the first shipment from Savannah. It departed Wyndham on the 26th of December for delivery to Jinchuan. A total of 10,865 tonnes of nickel copper cobalt concentrate were loaded onto the ship. Provisional invoice of $20.4 million is expected to be paid on the first week of January. Mining and processing continue at the site with anticipation of the second shipment in February 2022. Moving on, and Sims has agreed to sell a majority stake in Sims Municipal Recycling of New York to a group of investors, including investment funds managed by Closed Loop Partners, a leading circular economy-focused investment firm and innovation centre. Under the terms of the transaction, Sims will sell 50.46% for around $63 million and will hold 2 of the 5 SMR board seats. The transaction is forecast to reach financial close in the third quarter of financial year 2022. And Magnus Energy Technologies has started construction of the Eco Village within the Natu Graphite project for 56 families. Fencing of the mine site will begin shortly. Waterboard drilling has delivered successful results. And recent offtake agreement with Traxys for 600,000 tonnes over a 6-year period for the supply of natural flake graphite concentrate. Well, now we're going to take a very short break, but we'll be back very soon with everything you need to know to trade today.
Hi, I'm Sage, and get ready to take the crypto ride with me on Kalkine TV. Watch the crypto buzz every Tuesday and join the excitement at Kalkine TV. From Bitcoins to NFTs to Dogecoin and DeFi, we have updates about everything around these digital currencies. Understand the investing rationale and the risks involved in the space with me, Sage, on Crypto Buzz. Keep watching Kalkine TV.
Welcome back. I'm Rachel and you're watching the Morning Outlook Report. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones ended up 0.25%. The S&P 500 was up 0.14%, but the Nasdaq closed down 0.098%. While much of the economic optimism has centred on the US, the main European stock index is up more than 16% so far this year, showing faith in the recovery from the depths of the COVID-19 crisis. The MSCI World Equity Index 0.01% hovered close to a 5-week high in the previous session. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside of Japan lost 0.33% after 6 sessions of gains. There were losses in Hong Kong, that was down 0.99%, hurt by declines in mainland tech stocks, while Chinese blue chips shed 1.4%. Oil prices rose after data showed a fall in US crude and fuel inventories. Brent crude delivery was last up 0.38% at $79.24 a barrel. WTI was last up 0.88% at $76.65 a barrel. Gold prices steadied yesterday as a weaker dollar helped offset pressure from rising US Treasury yields and growing appetite for riskier assets. US gold futures settled down 0.3% at $1,805 US dollars. Meanwhile, the benchmark on ore futures declined 1.9% to 663 yuan a tonne, tracking the drop in spot 62% iron ore, which fell $3.50 to 123 US dollars a tonne on Tuesday. Well, that's all for your Morning Outlook report here on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading and stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.